a wee trip up to Thainstone mart to collect some items for the shed building. Here we go. That's the plant beginning to get arriving now, and the shed construction is underway. And here we are up at the Thainstone picking up our dinner. And well, the shed's beginning to take shape. First day down of the steel erectors here, and we've got all the columns or stanchions are up. Rafters, they were all built the last time, and then they've started laying out your eaves beam as well. So that'll be all kind of set to go next. But yeah, beginning to take shape. Looking good.
Get off my land, I'm the fan.